What's up, Bandai Modelers? This is Strider Prime bringing you a new edition of Bandai Models. It's been a while since I've done something like this, and I think it's about time I started building some 30-minute mission kits. Yeah, this is a lot of 30-minute mission kits that you see right here. An extreme amount of kits. It's been a long time since I worked on this. I think the last kit that I worked on was actually some parts to make up my my Zowort my Zowort Armored Core kit. But yeah, I think it's time I start working on these guys, and rightly so. I mean, I've seen a few new 30-minute mission kits that came out this year. Especially one that I pre-ordered, which, quite frankly, I couldn't get it from Hobbylink Japan. Apparently, it's sold out. So I canceled that order, and I may end up going to Gundam Planet to pick it up. But that's for later. Right now, I'm going to build these 30-minute mission kits that you see here, and I have a lot here. I guess everything is going to be revolving around one kit, and that is the Baskyrotto. Baskyrotto? Did I pronounce it right? Baskyrotto. And this is the gray version. There is I believe a desert-like version of it, but this is the new one that came out actually back in 2019. This is old. Is it 2019? No, it can't be 2019 that came out this kit. I feel like it came out recent. But regardless, I got this kit, and you know what? Bandai Spirits 2019. Sorry, Bandai Spirits made in 2024. So that was this year. Sorry, didn't read it clearly. So yeah, this is a new kit that came out this year, and pretty much when it was first announced and shown, everybody was saying, "Oh my God, this thing looks like something out of Front Mission, one of the Front Mission mobile suits, and maybe an Armored Core mobile suit." Exactly. But I got this. It was great. And then I have the option parts. I have option part set number 16, arm unit and leg, which, quite frankly, it's its own little mech there, but can be attachments for other kits. We have option part set 15, multi-vernier, multi-joints. We have option part set 11, large cannon and arm unit. Option part set 13, leg booster unit and wireless weapons pack. Wireless weapons pack. Okay, that's actually for the I think those parts right there can be put on the 30-minute sisters, but it is 30-minute mission mobile suit, and that is like a mech girl type thing. I never got into that. I don't know why. This was something that I've been trying to get my hands on for a very long time, especially when it was first announced. The customized scene base city area version. I remember when this came out, it pretty much everybody bought it. It was sold out like within minutes. And luckily, Gundam Planet had it, and I said, all right, it's mine. It's mine. Eventually, this will probably be the last build of this for me to work with. But we're going to be building this guy first, and then we'll put some we'll go step by step. But yeah, I want to have some fun with this 30-minute mission kits and explore the possibility of customization and detailing and whatever, and we'll go from there. Don't know if any of you have gotten one of these kits yet. I will say this: Gundam Planet has it. I will post a link down below. You can click on the link and help me help the channel by clicking on it. But yeah, let's now begin with the Baskyrotto. Okay, let's begin that kit. So the box art is very pretty. Kind of like this militaristic view of the mech. walking around. I love the gun. The gun is really nice. Good shield, of course. Very blocky, very sturdy. Comes with its... I like the little Roy. Kind of feels like I'm looking at an AT-AT. The shield looks really nice. And there's some features. You know what? You look at this and you're saying, so this can also double as something out of Armored Core. Which, of course, we all forgotten that... Oh, maybe I'm not. But Armored Core is being made by the 30-Minute Mission team. And I believe Gundam Planet has it. Hopefully we'll get my hands on one of those soon. But let's look at this one first. I'm going to lower the volume down a bit, so I'm sorry. Yes, I know. I'm a very popular guy. Alright, so we have the gray parts here, or dark purple parts. We have the light gray. Very good detail on this, wow. One clear part there, orange. And then we have this part here. Oh my god, look at this. That's very nice detail. By the way, I'm not going to take 30 minutes. I'm not going to kill myself for 30 minutes. I'm just going to try to, you know, build it and enjoy it. Here's some more option parts you can put on this kit. I think I have a few of these, but I'm not 100% sure. All right, well, let's get to, I believe, where's step one? Head unit, there we go. Let's open this up. Clearly this is a little bit more different than the other kits because it seems like they did away with just one frame for the inner frame parts and they spread it out to multiple frames. I just noticed that right now. Okay, here's this frame, which is common, but I see other parts as well. So I don't know if that is separate or new. I don't know. We'll figure that out. Right now we gotta go to the A plate. We're not at the A, that's B. Probably the colored. Here we go. A, let's see. Is it this? No, that's A2. Oh, we need A1. So as I'm building this, I want to let you guys know that obviously this is not going to be all done in one shot, all these kits that you see here. This will be a series of builds that I will be doing every Sunday. Sunday. So Sunday will be 30-minute mission day for me. Even if I'm doing like a massive project, you know, whether I'm building another kit or painting another kit or whatever, I will focus. I'll be releasing, you know, my video build of this kit, and you know, not this specifically. That is, the 30-minute mission builds. I thought it'd be a cool idea to do something like that, so you guys can see this every Sunday. Something that I should have done maybe months ago. All right, so the head is assembled. It's actually really nice. Good detail though, yeah. I'm not a big fan of the two different tone of colors. It should have been one color. But that's my opinion. Alright, so now we're going to build the body. I may be too close here, so let me zoom out of it. There we go. Let me see here. So that's that, and then the two side parts right here. There we go. And then we got to get the B parts. The B parts. Just sort of. I'm gonna go. I think it was on this plate right here. Here we go. So we need this one. I believe this can be snapped out. Let me see if we can do it with this one. Yeah, you can do it. Some of them can be a little bit tough, you know. There we go. Okay, I think we got it. So this position here. Put this there. Put this right. Come on, get in there. Get in. There we go. And then we'll need this. The neck piece goes all the way there. That's actually really nice. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Nice snap. Alright, so this one goes here. Good. This one goes here. Very, very modular. Wow. I mean, don't you agree with that? Alright, so A1 and JA5. Well, that's the B. A2. And that's C1. Okay, and then we have to go back to this. Yeah, this one. Okay. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so yeah, these are the extra attachments to extend out the part. Number 3. There we go. I have a feeling they're going to be... I have a distinct feeling there's going to be leftovers here. Cool. That and that. All right, so that goes like that, that goes like that. I'm gonna put that here, like that. And these have these little ball jointies. That goes there, and that goes there, and then that goes like that. Very small, very stout. Well, we're not done yet. Back to the A parts. Okay. You know what, man? Speaking of front mission kits, I've seen like sets of 5, like a box set of 5 front mission kits that they sell. Originally, I was going to get one at Hobbyland Japan, but it was like, I guess people were just buying up like crazy and never got my hands on it. I've seen it at Gundam Planet, but I completely lost interest in it. But I remember playing the game on the PlayStation, I think 3 or PlayStation 2, the original ones, and I think there was there one on the NES? Just to mentally remember that. We need 2 of these. Go back to C2. A2. That's, where is it? C2. Here we go. It's this part right here. I'm always impressed with some amazing custom builds that people post online of their 30-minute mission kits. There should be, you know what, I'm going to say this, there should be a contest for 30-minute mission kits. Hold on a second, I think I made a goof. Yeah, not goof, but that goes there. And that goes here? No. Wait a minute. That's that. And then we flip that around. And that's that. Oh no, you do this first. And then you do that. Okay. Now I understand. Now I understand. And now we take this, put that there, take this, put that there, and this part goes right there. All right, I think the head assembled, I think I may have popped this out, not necessary because it had its own other thing, so that's all right. All right, let's get the parts for the arms. I'll begin with the, no, give me the shoulders. Where are you? There we go. Yeah, that's it. You know, recently I just saw a few 30-minute mission kits that are coming out as P Bandai. And at one point I was actually thinking of getting one of these because they look really nice, especially the one that almost looks like a Dom. And I keep saying to myself I should build a custom, and I never get around to it. So much on my mind. So, you know, so little parts, I mean, so many kits, so little time. Is it this one? No. I'll ask you this. What was your favorite 30-minute mission kit that you guys built and say, hey, you know what, this is actually not bad. It's pretty good. I really am enjoying this. It's unique, it's different. Not something that you do every day, you know? I think 30-minute mission's been out for a long time. Actually, no, I think it came out in 2019. That's right, 2019. And everybody's been enjoying it for now. I think I need that. 29, right? No, that's 31. 29 is this one, okay. That's the A2 again, but it's kind of like a weird flip. Is it this one? 30. No, that's different. I think it's... Pop these out, because I think this is all of them. Yep. And, yeah, take them all out. I have a feeling they're all part of this. Now, I don't jump on to every 30-minute, every 3mm kit out there. Not that I'm not liking them, it's just that they don't appeal to my taste. Like the third faction, I give it credit. They're okay, but not something I want to jump on all the time. Actually, that goes there. Okay, shoulder parts look nice. There we go. Good. Very good. See. I think it's this one. I need that. There should be another one. There we go. I'm also noticing that the arms are a little different. Why? Wait a minute, I think this can't be it because the angle looks weird, but it is. That goes there. Oh yeah, it is for this. Wow. And then there's the B part. Let's see. B. You know what? The instructions are in a specific angle. So you look at one part and you're thinking it's thin, but then when you look at it again, it's thick. Stop lying to me. There we go. If I have the time, so here we go. They both show all that work for this two shoulders. But going back to what I was saying, if I have the time, if I have the desire, I would definitely like to build a 30-minute mission kit again, which I'm doing right now actually, but customize it, paint it, detail it up, and make it for MosquitoCon next year. I had so much fun with building the Zowart custom because it was a mixture of 30-minute missions and the Zowart. It was so, I had so much fun with that one. I experimented it with new ideas and concepts. Of course, borrowed from other people who have done it themselves, but you want to try it on your own. And it came out so well. I said, I want to do it again. Obviously, I don't think I'm gonna, repeat the same lightning in the bottle right there. These things, don't happen immediately or doesn't come out the way you want. Sometimes you have, there's always a high expectation of failure. Got to be prepared for that, Don't expect to be winners. Take your time, of course, in designing, planning, figuring it out. And then once you find something that you feel comfortable with, something that you see that works for you, then proceed, And I have to admit, even though I loved my Zowart build that I did last year, I knew there was mistakes, but I own up to my mistakes. And that's what you got to do. You got to own up to it and say to yourself, okay, I figured out what I did wrong. Here's hoping it doesn't happen again. And that does happen every now and then. Hold on, I forgot something here. I need that again because I forgot there's a cover. Alright, so now I did that, I gotta put this one in here. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. Okay. Give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that. And even though this thing is small, you want to make it big, I wonder if Bandai is actually experimenting with 1/100 scale 30-minute mission kit ideas. That'd be crazy if they did. I mean, it'll be bigger than the high grade, but maybe not as big as a master grade. Come on, get it. There we go. That's what we need. Where's my other? Oh, there we go. All right. There are hands here. Hold on, I gotta dig it up. We gotta go to the C. Let's C1. Yeah, we need that. We need this. And this. And I believe that. Okay. And I think there's another one. Yeah, there it is. You know what? Let's talk about another thing. I got an email the other day. There was a flash sale at Hobby Japan. Obviously, you can go there and probably pick up some 30-minute mission kits. I saw a black Alto for less than like maybe $8. I could be wrong. So if you guys want to get a black Alto, obviously you want to get it and put it in your warehouse. And then when you decide to, you know, pull it in, it'll come in, you know, as part of your massive packaging. I have a few things in there that I'm waiting. Well, in reality, I'm waiting for some kits that are coming out in, I believe, October. But they have that feature where they'll ship it out if you don't, here's your hands, if you don't send it out after 90, I believe 90 days? I could be wrong. Is it 90 or 60? Time for the feet. So, yeah, so I gotta plan it out. I know I'll be getting something in, I did pre-order something at Hobby in Japan for October, one for November and the other one for December. Clearly the November and the December one is not going to be able to make it. I won't be able to ship out everything until December, because I think by the time November comes in, they'll probably say, hey, you gotta ship this out, or otherwise we're going to ship it out for you. So the kits that I did pre-order will probably come in January of 2025. I gotta be careful with what I buy, because I waste a lot of money. And you know, every now and then I see something that I like. Let me take this out. That catches my attention, and I will always say, okay, sooner or later it will be available, you know, on sale, when they do some sort of sale. Right now they're doing a flash sale. It won't be long until the autumn sale or maybe Christmas sale comes in for you guys to get something. And of course we will talk about that when I see it. Maybe they'll have some more 3D munition kits on sale for that, you know, for this year, for this year. And then we'll talk about it. Well, I'm already way past 30 minutes in this build. It's probably going to be a good, well, I don't know. Let's see how fast I can go with this. Normally I would plan it out, as you can see, you know. But the build of a mech is always the longest build, because, you know, you got to, you know, see the manual, all that stuff. The other parts should be easy and quick, but I'm not doing that today. That will be for the next day, which will be next Sunday. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. I like that. Oh wow, I thought this was a foot. I didn't realize this is the actual part of the lower leg. Wow. Yeah, give me that. Give me that. Where are my balls? There we go. Alright, once I finish this, I forgot to do something very important. Darn it. Give me a minute. I forgot to do something very important, and you'll see in a second. And that's drink my coffee. Which I put a nice amount of cinnamon on it, and now it's starting to get cold. I hate cold coffee. Many people like cold coffee. I am not a big fan of it. I should pause this video and get more coffee, but I think I can manage for now. Okay. It's not the end of the world, you know? Well, probably the end of the world if you don't have coffee. And why can't I stick that in here? Am I doing something wrong? No, here it is. There we go. Back to this. We need the connections. These two guys right here. I know this is the foot because, yeah, it's very wide. And I think this is the waist unit, but we'll get to that in a minute. Where's the other part? Yeah, it's right here. So that's that, that's that. And then we take this part like this. Wait. Oh, it's the other way around. Here we go. Alright, now we take that, connect to that. Oh. Then we take this. Really? Okay. Yeah, gotta go this way. No. Oh, it's the other way. There we go. There we go. The joints, nothing but the joints. Here we go. Okay. Hold on. That goes there, so this one, the bottom part goes there. Okay. Give me that. And then give me that. All right. Now that connects to this. You turn it. This has this part that goes right there. That goes here. Oh, nice. I'm seeing some funny ideas here right now. Turn that around a bit and then turn it this way. Okay. Legs are done. Hopefully I will be done soon. I did remove these. I thought it was part of the leg assembly, but we'll leave it back there for now. Final part is the waist unit. Let's remove. Oh, that's not part of the waist. That's something else. But we're gonna actually no. I need that. We've already removed all this, so this is done. Oh. Okay, give me that. You know, I do need that. And I might as well take these off because get them out of the way. Now we just need these. Okay. Now we just need to put these two together like so. Very simple. I believe we need this. And we need these two guys right here. One goes, no. I gotta put this one on top first. Doesn't matter. It looks like it doesn't matter which way. It's universal. Okay. But we have to pop it out of it because it's in a different angle. Okay, let's try it again. There we go. Much better. Now we take these, put that there. Take this, put this here. This one goes this way. This one connects upwards like that. Good. Good. Okay, I guess that was not necessary. Fair enough. Put those to the side. All right, let's give me that. Give me that, and give me that. Head, torso to waist. Which one's front and which one's back? Oh, that way. And then we have this side goes here. That one goes there. Oh, yeah. You know what? You got to put these on first because it's always hard to do it with these. I've always had trouble with the arms and the shoulders. But if you do that way, no problem. There we go. And you know what? We definitely need the hands. So give me those hands. Just realize it has Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle hands. Or Nightcrawler hands. There we go. That is a nice and adorably chunky little mech. Yeah. There we go. That came out like that. There we go. But, oh yeah. Something you probably see in Mech Warrior. And I did this. Oh, wait. I did something wrong here. Yeah. Oh, I just realized it now. Pop that out. There we go. Come on, get in there. Flip that around. No, that's much better. And this one keeps popping out. See, that's why I'm sometimes annoyed with that. Alright, there we go. Alright, what do you guys think of that? We're not done yet, of course. I'm going to put you to the side because we have all the weaponry and stuff like that. The shield looks beautiful. I like how it looks. You also have to admire all the updated weaponry parts, which I do have some, which I could put on this guy. But I like the assault rifle on this. I could have swore I saw a weapon that looked like a flaming unit. You know? A flamethrower. Even though it would not simulate flame, but it had that feel to it. It had that aesthetic to it. I don't know if anybody is aware of it. I don't know if there is one out there. I've seen Gatling guns, miniguns, assault rifles, like you know what? I have not seen a bazooka. No, that's a lie. There is a bazooka on certain mechs, on certain kits. But it would be nice to see a, how would you call this? Like a mega particle bazooka type thing. I need that. I can imagine my phone is blistering hot right now after me recording all this. And the other parts, oh, I know what these are. These are the little parts. This is for the Roy. Like wondering what the hell this was. I wasn't even paying attention. Oh, I do need this. You know what? I think we're done with this. So. Is it? It's that way. Okay. It is a bit, wow, it's a bit stiff, but not bad. Oh my God, I love it. Jesus, look at that. It has 2 peg holes under it. I wonder if it could be used as a head, but unfortunately the clearance of this is too close for me to put anything under it. All right, let me just put this to the side a bit because I want to see what I have here. We are done with all the extra parts. And let me adjust the camera so we can see everything. And here we go. Good. Obviously you have open and closed fist. The fist is universal, so you don't actually have to choose one or the other. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Whew. There. And I wish I could take a swig at my coffee, but it's cold. I'm also going to have to charge up the phone. Yeah, I've been using the cell phone to you know, record. But still, the the Baskyrotto, Baskyrotto, I'm going to pronounce that right, is now complete. This is an adorable and nice little chunky little mech. Oh my god, I love it. I really do. You know what? I don't have a Gundam, you know, a Master Grade Gundam nearby. I'm sorry, Master Grade, a High Grade Gundam, which I should build one day to have it as a point of reference. Kind of put everything away in storage, but I'll use my Spartan, GM Spartan, as a point of reference right there. As you can see how big it is. It's not bad, you know. This is actually a lot more presentable, and it feels very sturdy, you know. A lot of portholes here and here. Actually, so we have point. Oh, interesting. I didn't realize that until now. So this is asymmetrical. The top torso, you have 2 hole ports here at the top, and one on. So hold on. On the right side you have 2, but on the left you only have 1. Now you get 1, 2, 3 holes on the shoulder with 4 holes on the shoulder. You have 2 on the side of the arm, 1 under the arm. I don't know about above. No, there's nothing above the arm. 1 in front of the waist. 1 in front of each leg. You normally should have 2. I see 2 on the side, 4 on the side each. Oops. And obviously a tremendous amount of connections here in the back. That is very nice. And of course, even the Roy has enough connections here for other stuff that you want to do. Oh, I love the Roy. It's neat. Very nice. Well, there you have it. The build of the 30-minute missions Baskyrotto. If I said that right, I don't know, so don't worry about it. I hope you guys liked it. And I'm going to leave you guys with a question. What would be the next 30-minute mission kits I should make next week? So you saw in the beginning of the video. Go back to the beginning and look at it. And just comment below. Which option part set should I make? Should I make number 26, 29, 22, or 28? I am not building number 6, which is the you know, what do you call it? The base scene. That's for last. I'm saving that for last. But I have that. So you guys tell me and comment below, and then the most comments I'll start building that. I'd like to thank you guys all for watching me building some 30-minute mission kits on this Sunday. This is going to be 30-minute Sunday. I should make a new title, but I'm going to do with BandaiModels. So again, thank you for watching, and what can I say but stay tuned for more BandaiModels coming soon. You guys all have a great day.